HAGS is committed to providing the very best outdoor play, fitness and sports equipment to our customers. That's why, in 2016, we invested in a state-of-the-art production facility in Sosnowiec, Poland. The location of the new factory was carefully chosen for its excellent infrastructure. Situated approximately 1 hour from Kraków, HAGS Poland is perfectly placed for networking across Europe, being at the centre of major highways and close to the docks for direct links to Sweden, Germany, Italy, France and Spain. HAGS Poland also benefits from access to a highly skilled workforce, pooling talent from the 18 universities and trade schools nearby. Built in just 7 months, HAGS Poland now employs over 150 people across a site of 66,639 square metres. HAGS Poland consolidates 11 sites in Arneby, Sweden into one purpose-built plant. This has helped us to streamline operations and improve the flow of materials throughout the manufacturing process. Every journey begins at the planning stage. As soon as orders are placed, they are planned into the system across the various areas of the factory: mechanical, carpentry, wet paint and powder paint. Materials and manpower are scoped out in advance to ensure that all the components merge into assembly at the same time and flow into the warehouse ready to be dispatched. Our team often have over 1,000 jobs for metal and wood planned in every month and in excess of 1,000 hours planned into assembly. This all needs to be managed efficiently to minimize waste and maximize output. Goods come into the warehouse to one of 4 loading bays. These are undercover to protect materials from adverse weather conditions. We can accommodate 10 lorries every hour, which can be loaded either from the end or from the side. We also have a rear loading bay for materials coming into our wood storage area. Again, this is all undercover to maintain ideal conditions and eliminate any risk of damage. Once materials have arrived on site, they're channeled into either mechanical or wood production. Metal parts come into our mechanical area where we have clear pathways and a clear flow line from punching and pressing to bending and welding. Our laser cutter is fully programmable from 2 mm up to 20 mm. Extremely versatile, it can cut out 1,000 small components or one large shape, ranging in complexity. The punch press operates for 16 hours a day over 2 shifts. With a high level of accuracy, it can punch very small parts or sheet metal up to 6 mm thick, creating a final product to our clients' exact specifications. According to their size, metal tubes are fed into one of our 3 manual tube benders. These programmable machines ensure we achieve exactly the same bend every time. Our large welding department has 16 welding bays, including 2 robotic welders, allowing us to weld everything from the smallest component to large pieces up to 4 meters in length. Welding experts oversee all of our policies, and our welders are all certified to the highest European standards. All the machines are calibrated and regularly checked to ensure they are operating efficiently. Because we carry out all work on our own site, we don't have to rely on outsourcing and have greater flexibility over what we can deliver for our clients. The wood we use is Nordic pine. This is sourced from Scandinavian forests where the trees grow very slowly, which minimizes knots and gives it a dense and compact quality with superior strength. Our wood is stored outside under a canopy to ensure less shrinking and cracking. All timber parts are first treated with oil to increase durability and enhance the natural appearance of the wood. In our carpentry area, we have 5-axis and 3-axis CNC routing machines which can be programmed to make bespoke items for our clients. Layers of different materials can be built up to create more intricate designs. Our computerized wood optimizer provides fast and accurate cutting patterns that minimize waste and cutting time. All other jobs within this department are manual, carried out by time-served craftsmen who know how to work with wood to create highly durable, beautifully finished products. The wood then enters our wet paint area to be stained and finished. A primer is applied before it can be spray painted in any color that our clients specify. We have 3 lines that can accommodate everything from one-off small projects to large volumes. We've invested heavily to ensure perfect penetration and even coverage. Humidity is continuously checked in the drying station to ensure water-based primers and paints don't come away from the wood. Metal is powder coated under carefully controlled conditions. Our powder paint area is fully mechanized. The metal goes through a primer where 120 microns of zinc powder are applied to protect steel surfaces from corrosion. The metal then goes into a bake oven and is left to cool before being sprayed with any color paint at 120 microns. This flexible paint system can spray anything from 2 millimeters to 40 millimeters thickness. The finished product is UV tested to ensure it won't fade and impact tested for robustness. HAGS is an accredited applicator of coatings and paints from AkzoNobel, the leading global paint manufacturer known for their stringent testing procedures. The powder-coated paint application has less impact on the environment than other manufacturing processes. It is safer to use and complies with all current and proposed European legislation. When the desired paint finish has been achieved, parts are ready to be assembled. The assembly area is split into different sections for modular components and smaller items, larger pieces of play equipment, such as pirate ships, a tyre line and a chain line, which makes the chains for our swings. We run up to 3 shifts in this area to make sure we always have the right tools and staff in the right place at the right time. Every member of staff is trained on the job by more senior workers. We believe in mentoring, sharing knowledge and nurturing talent. On average, around 1,000 hours per week are spent in the assembly area getting our products ready for dispatch. Anything that leaves the warehouse must pass through quality control before distribution. All of our products are adapted to the EN 1176 safety standard. In addition to this, all of HAG's play equipment has been TÜV certified. The German Technischer Überwachungsverein has the most extensive and advanced testing and approval procedures in the world. When all of these stringent safety checks have taken place and our products have passed quality control, they're ready to be distributed. HAGS currently supplies play equipment, gym equipment and street furniture to local authorities, councils, schools, house builders and leisure customers in 73 countries all over the world. As we continue to design and manufacture to the highest possible standards, HAGS can not only achieve our aim of becoming Europe's #1, but can continue to nurture the fun, excitement, health and well-being of all generations.